We are officially done with the laundry room renovations. We finished with the floor, we installed the washer and dryer, we add a folding station, a pushable countertop, we change the colors of the cabinets, and we add different features to the room. So I'm super excited because now is my favorite part. My two favorite parts that I love the most when I renovate a room or a house or anything like that is the design part. I enjoy that a lot. And then the end, the decoration. So it's the beginning and the end that I enjoy and love the most. The one in between is all the hard work. I don't enjoy, but we have to do it. And the end result is worth it. So now I'm going to show you all the items that I'm going to use to decorate the laundry room, and I'm going to share all that with you, where I bought my stuff for decoration and stuff like that, okay? So I hope you guys like it, and let's decorate this room. Now, guys, let me tell you what about all the items. This little basket, I think I got it from Lowe's. And the stuff inside of the basket, the little brush, the plant, and the two containers where the vinegar and the stain remover are, I bought it from Home's Good. And the dry and fold sign, I bought it from Hobby Lobby. And the two little plants, I got it from Target. And the two glass containers too. And this one, I got it from Amazon. I love it. And these shelves too, I got it from Amazon. And the little plant and the clean side and the candle, I got it from Target. And the laundry basket is from Hobby Lobby. To help me to have the laundry room very nice and organized, I decided to buy different baskets of different colors. And the main store where I got the baskets and the containers are from Target and Hobby Lobby. For the utility closet, I decided to add some wallpaper that's from Magnolia Home from Target. And then this little basket is from Hobby Lobby. And then I found this very cute utility card from Home's Good. And you can see how everything looks very nice and organized in that utility card. And this broom holder is from Amazon. Also in this area, you can see how everything looks very organized. In the other side, I decided to add a iron board holder too. That's from Amazon as well. And you can see how this small utility closet can be very nice and organized just with few items there. Just let me know if you have any questions about any of the items that I show you in this video. And I hope you guys get some ideas on how to organize and decorate your laundry room. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. That way you don't miss my next renovations. And please don't forget to give a like. I hope you guys enjoy this laundry room transformation. I really love my new laundry room, and I hope you guys love it too. And I see you next time for my next video, and thank you for watching.